How to alkalize your body. Is your body acidic? Some signs of overacidity include irritability, sensitivity, fatigue, joint aches and pains, inflammation, headaches, trouble sleeping and indigestion. How your health is affected. A chronically acidic blood pH can adversely affect your health, as it is associated with being more prone to illnesses. Staying healthy. A slightly alkaline blood pH has become the benchmark for health and vitality, and the way to do this is 1. Avoid unhealthy things like fried foods. 2. Drink herbal teas instead of coffee. 3. Eliminate sugar and white flour, for example bread, pasta, pastries, etc. Alkalizing foods. Eat a diet that is high in fresh fruit, vegetables and pulses to balance out every acidic pleasure with alkaline-generating foods. Dietary supplementation. It is important that you carefully supplement your diet to support optimal nutrient intake. Make sure you use natural food supplements and not synthetic ones. Ensure they are quality controlled.